Okay, today we're going to walk you through how to set up alerts on your ConnectSMART dashboard. And this is going to be a combo of both visual alerts, sound alerts, and text message alerts. So I'll show you how you do all of those. And we're going to start from scratch with just building our own gadget and assigning alerts to it. So we're going to start in the gadget creator, and you want to click on available gadgets. And in this case, we're going to use ConnectSMART for ConnectWise on premise, is in the service category. We're going to go to P1 tickets and add that, and hit configure and publish. So in our unpublished area, we've got this one, and you want to click on edit. Right now, we're going to add a couple parameters. I want to select a specific board and also a priority type. We could use a ticket status of say new, but for this example I'll just skip it and just set board and priority. We'll click close here, and for the board I'm going to set just a plain old ConnectSMART admin board that we've got. And then also for priority we want that to be an emergency, a P1. Okay, so right now if I hit preview, we see we got 0 P1 tickets on that board. Click on properties up here, and we're just going to give it a name that we can recognize. So in this case we'll do P1 emergency admin. And for the gadget title on the inside here, we're going to do P1 emergency, and maybe below it we'll have the admin board so we know where that's what board it's hitting. Category, I'm going to do alerts, and refresh, I want that going for every minute. I want to know about that. Okay, so let's add an alert to this. You click the alerts tab up here and hit the plus button. And in this case, I want to know when there's a P1 ticket on the board. So we're going to say gadget value is greater than a numeric constant of 0. So anything greater than 0, I want to know about it. And here we're going to set a visual alert, so we're going to hit on, and in this case that's a bad thing when we get a P1 ticket. There's something wrong, so we're going to hit that bad alert. It's going to flip it to red. And we're going to address these two in a bit, but for now we're just going to do the visual alert, and I'm going to hit add alert, and I'm going to go ahead and hit publish. And that puts it in the published category here under alerts. And so there we've got our gadget. I'm going to flip over to the dashboard up here. I'm going to hit a new dashboard, and we've got our gadget here, and I'm going to just we're going to give this one a name. We're going to call it say alerts board, a category of we can do admin, and we're going to save it in the location of organization, so that's a public facing dashboard. Everyone can see that. And we're going to take our gadget here, drag and drop it, and there is our gadget. You can hit the cog here. If you want to get rid of the title up above, just hit the properties tab, and that'll make it a little bit cleaner. That's totally up to you. It's completely optional. So there we go. That's a beginner dashboard with just one metric on it. So I hit save and close. Yes, we want to overwrite that. I already had one there. So that's ready to go. It's watching for a P1 emergency ticket on the admin board. Now I've got a gadget ticket already started here. If I flip this to emergency and hit save, somebody's messing with my tickets. Okay, here we go. It's good to know they're on top of it. So you hit save right here. In a minute, when that refreshes, you'll know about it, or I'm just going to do, for the sake of time, just a refresh of this dashboard here at the top there. So we know that there's a P1 ticket on the board right now. You can change the alert as to what color, what visual is affected here. So in this case, it's actually, I'm going to get rid of this little keyboard shortcut or the URL shortcut up here. Doesn't need to be there. And go ahead, and we can set it to the value, which is the actual digit in the middle, or we can set the border, or both. You can do combinations, or the background, which is what you just saw, the big red in the back. So that's a visual, and I like that. However, if you want to give the alert a little bit more punch, we can go back and add, say, a sound alert. So back into the gadget creator, same gadget, we're going to hit edit and the alerts tab, and we're going to edit this existing alert. And in this case, we want it to play a sound. So I'm going to hit on and say every I don't know if I want every minute because that could get annoying. But we're going to play as a sad trombone. On this one, we'll hit Edit Alert, and we'll publish that. So every 5 minutes, we're going to get a sound alert of that sad trombone sound, letting the entire team who's in the area of this dashboard know that there's a P1 ticket on the board. So if eyes aren't on it, they'll at least hear it. Lastly, we can add on that same gadget, we can add a text message alert. So we're going to hit Edit there, back to the Alerts tab, hit Edit, and down here we're going to flip this to be on. And you've got the option to use Exchange or Gmail. In this case, I've got a Gmail account set up that's sending straight to my cell phone. So I'm going to hit Edit Alert there, and I'm going to include in the knowledge base article on how to set that up in the script and put in your own cell number, etc. So hit Edit Alert, and once we publish that, that's assigned that as well. So we're going to refresh this. So we've got a combination. We've got 3 on here. We've got the visual that you see. You've also got the sound that'll fire every 5 minutes, and then so you also have the text message that, okay, my phone just got it. So got the text message saying, hey, look at your dashboard. Dashboard needs attention. We've got issues. So that's just a real quick way of how to stay on top of your help desk with alerts and just being right on the cusp with your thumb on the pulse of what's going on, and just really beefs up the performance of your help desk. So I hope that was helpful, and look forward to some feedback on what you guys implement with the alerting features. Thanks. This is Evan from ConnectSMART. Have a great one.